大家好，我是统治三甲刘义文。
Today I'm going to talk about the analysis of reasons that affect the satisfaction of visiting experience in Taiwan. First of all, this is my data source. The name of the dataset is a survey of Taiwan tourist spending and trends over the years, which is from government's information open platform. The folder contains datasets of many years, and I use 109 dataset. Now I'm going to explain how I pre-process this data. The subjects I want to explore is reasons that affect the satisfaction of visiting experience in Taiwan, so I refer the code table in this file. Then I only selected questionnaire block D6, which is about satisfaction with this visit to Taiwan. This block contains 17 attributes. Next step, I convert all variables from numeric scale to nominal scale. Next, I will describe variables. There are 17 attributes. The types of them are nominal, and SO is target variable. I'm going to introduce 3 methods for selecting variables. The first one is CFS. The target variable is SO, and the following 10 attributes are chosen. In CFS, C is equal to 0.25, and the value of M is from 2 to 8. I use prompt and unprompt way. Then I get the highest accuracy when M equal to in unprompt way. The second method is InfoGAN. After the 20 attributes are ranked like right hand side, I remove the worst 3, S22, S13A, and S11. In the end, I choose the other 13 attributes. In InfoGAN, C is equal to 0.25, and I also get the highest accuracy when N equal to in unprompt way. The third method is all attributes. In all attributes, C is equal to 0.25, and I also get the highest accuracy when M equal to in unprompt way. Finally, I compare 3 methods. I can get the highest accuracy by using all attributes, so the following analysis is based on all attributes. Then I will talk about the decision tree analysis. I use all attributes to calculate optimistic and pessimistic accuracy. The optimistic accuracy is equal to 94.2673%, and the pessimistic accuracy is equal to 78.4307%. This is the decision tree with all attributes in Weka. Then I will introduce the decision tree results in cards. It's Rato drawn by R. And this is party case drawn by R. The last one is R parts plot drawn by R. The accuracy of cards is 84.0301%. According to the result in cards, if people are very satisfied with food hygiene, their overall satisfaction in Taiwan will be almost very satisfied. If people's satisfaction with food hygiene is the other 5 answers, their overall satisfaction in Taiwan will be almost satisfied, followed by very satisfied. I'm going to talk about association analysis. I use original data to do association analysis with Weka. I set card equal true. Lower bound minimum support equal 0.1, minimum matrix equal 0.9, and number of rules equal 1000. Here are 4 of all rules. Next, I use R to do association analysis. I set support equal 0.1 and confidence equal 0.9. Here are 4 of all rules, because the number of ordinary and dissatisfied in the target variable is very small. Only satisfied and very satisfied can be mined. Therefore, I resample the data. First step, I set bias to uniform class equal 1, non-replacement equal false, sample size percent equal 100. Next step, I use resample data to do association analysis again. I set card equal true, lower bound minimum support equal 0.1, minimum matrix equal 0.5, and number of rows equal 5,000. In this time, each result can be mined at least 1 rule. Next part, I will talk about cluster analysis. The first method, I use hierarchical method. This is cluster tree of complete linkage with Weka. The data can be divided into 4 clusters. And this is drawn by R. The agglomerative coefficient is equal to 0.87. This is cluster 3 of Ward's method with Weka. The data can be divided into 3 clusters. And this is drawn by R. The agglomerative coefficient is equal to 0.98. The second method of cluster analysis is K-means. Its clustering results with R. I set n-stars equal 1, centers equal 5, and I get accuracy equal 0.58. Here are 5 clusters in this table. Its Weka clustering result. I set it equal 1, 2, 3. Number of clusters is 5, and I get SSE equal 12,375. Here are 5 clusters in this table. I'm going to talk about cluster analysis in Weka. In the cluster 2, except for S11 is no experience. Most of the variables are very satisfied, so overall satisfaction in Taiwan will be either satisfied or very satisfied. In the cluster 3, except for S11 is no experience, most of the variables are satisfied. In this red circle, although S12 is dissatisfied, most of the variables are satisfied, so it doesn't affect the result of overall satisfaction in Taiwan. In the cluster 4, most of the variables are ordinary. In this red circle, although S13A is very dissatisfied, most of the variables are ordinary, so it doesn't affect the result of overall satisfaction in Taiwan. Now I will talk about KNN analysis. In Weka, the value of K is from 1 to 30. I use no distance, 1 divided by distance, and 1 minus distance weight. Then I guess the best K is 13, and best weight is no distance weighting. In R, I divided the data into 2 parts, 70% for training, 30% for testing, and set it is 1, 2, 3. Value of K is from 1 to 30. Then I find the maximum accuracy is 84.4482% when K is 4. I'm going to compare the 4 methods, J48, CART, K-means, and KNN. I used same testing option. There are 3,987 instances in this data. I control set it equal 1, 2, 3. And I split the data into 70% training data and 30% testing data. J48 and CART are decision tree analysis. In J48, I chose M equal 2 because of highest training accuracy. The test accuracy is 80.9365%. In CART result with R, test accuracy is 84.0301%. K-means and KNN are similar. In K-means results with R, when K is equal to 5, the test accuracy is 58.1154%. In KNN, I chose K equal to 4 because of highest test accuracy. Finally, I found KNN has the highest test accuracy. In the end, this is my conclusion for the report. Overall satisfaction with coming to Taiwan is almost satisfied or very satisfied. Besides, the percentage of dissatisfied and ordinary is very low, so I will discuss factors causing low satisfaction in coming to Taiwan. Here are 2 least influential factors. The first one is S23, friendly people in Taiwan. Regardless of overall satisfaction, people are satisfied with the friendly people in Taiwan. The second one is S11, Get Taiwan Visa Fast. Because of visa-free entry to Taiwan in many countries, most people have no experience. Next, here are 2 most influential factors causing low satisfaction in coming to Taiwan. The first one is S35, good food hygiene. I suggest that Health Bureau can increase inspections of food and beverage outlets and street vendors. The second one is S34, good sanitation. For this issue, I suggest that EPA can add public trash cans, increase cleaning and maintenance of public toilets and shores. To improve the above, I believe that it can increase the overall satisfaction of travelers. Thanks for your listening.